Today, we are going to dive deep into Synthesia, one of the most powerful AI video generation platforms on the market right now. If you've ever needed to create high-quality, professional videos for marketing, employee onboarding, corporate training, or even social media content, but you didn't have the time, budget, or equipment to set up a camera, lighting, and a studio, Synthesia is exactly what you are looking for. This platform allows you to turn plain text into highly engaging videos with realistic AI avatars in a matter of minutes. The reason so many businesses and creators prefer Synthesia over traditional video production or even other AI tools is the sheer quality of the avatars, the natural flow of the text-to-speech voices, and how incredibly intuitive this interface is. You don't need a degree in video editing to make something that looks like it costs thousands of dollars to produce. If you are interested, please see the link in the description below to get access to this tool. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through this entire interface step by step. We'll look at how to select the right templates, customize your avatars, choose the perfect voice for your brand, and I'll even share some professional design tips and tricks along the way so your final video looks polished and ready to publish. Before we get started, if you haven't signed for Synthesia yet, then make sure to use the link which is given down below in the video description. Let's get started. When you first step into the Workspace here on your Synthesia dashboard, your most logical first move is to begin by creating a new video. As you can see right here, you always have the option to start completely from scratch with a blank canvas. If you are a seasoned video editor, or if your company has extremely rigid, custom brand guidelines that require you to build slide by slide, this might be your go-to option. However, for the vast majority of users, especially if your goal is to scale your content production and save time, I highly recommend leveraging Synthesia's built-in template library. Starting with a template completely eliminates blank page syndrome and dramatically streamlines your workflow. Let's go ahead and dive into the template library. As I scroll through these, take a look at the sheer variety available. Synthesia provides a massive array of professionally designed, ready-to-use templates. To make things even easier, they are neatly categorized by specific use cases. Over on the side, you can filter by exactly what you need. You'll find multi-slide layouts designed specifically for sales pitch decks, structural layouts for corporate instructional design and employee onboarding, dynamic product explainers, and even vertical formats optimized for quick social media updates on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Choosing the correct starting point here is going to save you hours of formatting later on. Design tip. Now I want to share a crucial design tip for when you are browsing these options. A very common beginner mistake is picking a template simply because you like the colors or the photos they used in the thumbnail. Don't fall into that trap. Instead, look closely at the layout structure. You can, and absolutely will, change the brand colors, swap out the fonts, and replace the background images later to match your own brand identity. What you are really shopping for right now is visual hierarchy. You want to pick a template where the structural layout matches the exact type of information you are trying to present to your audience. For example, if your video is going to feature a lot of heavy text, data, or bullet points, you need to look for a layout that dedicates a wide, clear, and uncluttered space specifically for text, perhaps with the avatar pushed neatly to one side. On the other hand, if you are showcasing a new software product, giving a website walkthrough, or relying on external graphs, you should look for a template that features a large, prominent media placeholder right in the center for your screen recordings. It's all about finding the right structural vessel for your specific message. For the sake of this tutorial, let's find something versatile that works for a variety of projects. Let's select this clean, modern corporate explainer template. When you click on it, you can usually see a quick preview of the different slide layouts included in that specific deck. Once you are confident that the structure fits your needs, just click to apply it. You'll see it instantly populates your video canvas, and just like that, we are brought directly into the main editing suite where the real customization begins. The undisputed centerpiece of any Synthesia video, and the main reason we are using this software in the first place, is the AI avatar. When you load a template, it will populate with a default presenter. But customizing this is incredibly easy. To change your presenter, simply click directly on the avatar currently sitting on your canvas. As soon as you do, you'll see the panel on the side seamlessly transition to open up the avatar selection menu. Take a moment to scroll through this list with me. You'll immediately notice that Synthesia provides a remarkably diverse cast of digital actors. This isn't just about finding a face you like. It's about strategic casting. The library covers a wide spectrum of ages, ethnicities, and perhaps most importantly, professional styles and wardrobes. Choosing the right avatar is absolutely crucial for establishing an authentic connection with your specific target audience. Think about the context of your video. If you are producing an internal human resources compliance video or a high-level B2B sales pitch, a more formal, corporate-dressed avatar is likely the most appropriate choice to project authority and professionalism. However, if you are creating a fast-paced YouTube pre-roll ad, an Instagram reel, or a TikTok, putting a person in a three-piece suit might feel entirely out of place. For those platforms, you might want to scroll down and select an avatar wearing casual clothing, maybe a simple t-shirt or a sweater, so that your video matches the native, organic feel of those social feeds. Alright, so once you've scrolled through and found the perfect presenter to represent your brand, let's move on to positioning and framing. A major misconception when people first use AI video tools is that the avatar is static, that you are locked into having them stand rigidly right in the dead center of the screen. That is not the case here at all. You have complete creative control over where your actor lives on the canvas. You can simply click and drag the avatar to reposition them anywhere you like. You can drag the corners of their bounding box to scale them up, making them the dominant focus of the scene, or you can shrink them down to tuck them neatly away in the bottom corner of your presentation. Synthesia also gives you different framing modes to play with. You can have them framed from the waist up, or if you want to focus entirely on on-screen graphics for a moment, you can even toggle to voice-only mode. This essentially hides the visual avatar but keeps their voice, turning the AI into a high-quality traditional voiceover track for that specific scene, which is incredibly useful if you want to show a full-screen recording. Design tip. Let's talk about a professional design tip regarding the circle crop feature. If your particular slide has heavy text, complex bullet points, or intricate data visualizations like charts and graphs, I highly recommend utilizing the circular avatar crop. This is a brilliant way to maintain that crucial human element and eye contact with your viewer, without physically covering up your important data with the avatar's shoulders or torso. A very common mistake I see beginners make is leaving the avatar much too large, which ends up cluttering the visual space and fighting for the viewer's attention. When in doubt, lean on the foundational rule of thirds. Imagine a tic-tac-toe grid over your video. Try to place your avatar squarely on either the left or the right third of the screen, rather than dead center. This compositional trick naturally guides the viewer's eye and allows your text, graphics, or screen recordings to breathe comfortably on the opposite side of the frame. It creates a balanced, professional aesthetic that is instantly pleasing to the eye. Now we get to the true core engine of Synthesia, the script box. This is where the magic happens, and where you will likely spend most of your time. Down here at the bottom of your screen is where you type out or paste exactly what you want your AI avatar to say. The text-to-speech technology here is incredibly advanced, but there are a few essential tricks to getting the absolute best performance out of it so that your audience forgets they are even listening to AI. First, let's take a look at the language and voice selection tools. You have access to over 160 languages and a massive variety of regional accents and dialects. This right here is one of the biggest reasons businesses choose to use Synthesia over hiring physical actors. It is all about localization and scale. Think about it. You can create one complete video in English, duplicate the project, and instantly swap the language to Spanish, French, or Japanese. The software automatically translates the script and updates the avatar's lip sync. You immediately have content ready for international markets without any extra production costs, scheduling conflicts, or reshoots. When you are picking a voice, you need to listen closely to the pacing, the rhythm, and the tone. Some voices are inherently energetic and fast-paced, which makes them perfect for snappy promotional material or social media ads. Other voices are much more measured, deep, and calm. That is exactly what you want for a 10-minute step-by-step software tutorial or heavy educational content, where the viewer needs time to process the information. To make the AI sound incredibly human, you cannot just paste in a block of text and hope for the best. You need to format your text the way real people actually speak. Use commas liberally to force natural, brief pauses in the dialogue. If you want a longer break, Synthesia allows you to add manual pauses. You can right-click anywhere in the text and insert a pause anywhere from a fraction of a second all the way up to 99 seconds. This is an excellent technique for letting a crucial point sink in, or giving the viewer time to read an on-screen bullet point before the avatar moves to the next sentence. What happens if there's a complex word, an industry acronym, or a brand name that the AI isn't pronouncing exactly right? You don't have to settle for a robotic mistake. You can simply highlight that word, click pronunciation, and either type it out phonetically or even use your microphone to record yourself saying it aloud so the system learns the exact inflection. You can then apply that fix to the entire video. Finally, because these AI voices are highly dynamic, the exact same sentence can sound slightly different every time you generate it. If the delivery feels a little too flat in one spot, just highlight that paragraph and hit the regenerate button until you find a take that perfectly matches the energy of your scene. With our avatar and script completely locked in, we now shift our focus to visual branding. Even though we started this project using a template to save time, you never want your final product to look generic. You always want to customize the visual elements to seamlessly match your specific brand identity. To achieve this, we are going to direct our attention to the main toolbar located right at the top of your screen. This top menu is your central hub for adding any new visual elements to your canvas. Let's start by looking at the text icon right up top. By clicking this, you can drop in new headings or body text. You want your typography to be consistent, so use this to swap out the default fonts for ones that perfectly align with your brand guidelines. Next, on the same top toolbar, is the Media button. By clicking this top menu option, you can quickly import your company logo and place it neatly in the corner as a persistent watermark. You can also use this to upload custom graphics, product screenshots, or screen recordings that you want the avatar to explain. Finally, let's check out the Shape tool, also located right up top. By clicking this and adding a square shape, we can stretch it across the bottom of the screen to create a professional lower third graphic. You can then lay a clean text box over it to display the presenter's name. Design tip: whenever you use these top menu tools to add text, remember that contrast is your absolute best friend. A rookie mistake is putting light text on a light background, making it hard to read on mobile devices. Ensure your text pops. For headings, use bold, sans serif fonts as they render cleaner in video formats. Lastly, keep your on-screen text as brief as possible. Your audience should be listening to the avatar, not reading a massive paragraph. Use text simply to highlight the key takeaways. Unless you are making a very short YouTube short or TikTok, your video is going to have multiple scenes. Over here on the left side, you can manage your timeline. Instead of building a new scene from scratch every time, the most efficient workflow is to right-click your first completed scene and hit Duplicate. This carries over your brand colors, your fonts, and your avatar positioning. From there, you just swap out the text and tweak the layout slightly. This ensures your video feels cohesive from start to finish. Keep your transitions clean. You want the viewer focused on the information, so avoid using overly flashy transitions between scenes unless they serve a specific narrative purpose. Simple cuts or smooth fades are the standard in professional, corporate, and marketing videos. Before we finalize anything, we need to preview the video. When you hit the preview button, Synthesia will play back the audio and show you the timing of your on-screen elements. Note that the avatar's lip syncing won't be fully animated in the preview that happens during the final generation phase. Use this preview time to close your eyes and just listen to the audio pacing. Does it sound natural? Are the pauses in the right spots? Once you are completely satisfied with the script, the layout, and the branding, it's time to bring the video to life. You simply go up to the top right and click Generate. The platform processes your video on their cloud servers, meaning it doesn't tie up your computer's processing power. In just a few minutes, you'll have a polished, high-definition video ready to download in MP4 format or share directly via a link. And that is a comprehensive look at how to navigate and create highly professional videos using this platform. Synthesia truly democratizes video production, allowing anyone to turn simple text into engaging visual content in a fraction of the time it used to take. If you found this tutorial helpful, I would love to hear your thoughts. Please drop a comment down below and let me know what kind of videos you are planning to create using this AI technology. If you are interested, please see the link in the description below to get access to this tool. Make sure to click that link and sign up to start exploring these features for yourself and see how much time it can save your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.